Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove the mechanical key from the fob by sliding the release. Insert it into the driver door lock and unlock. Once inside, sit and make sure the shift is in park and the parking brake is set. You need to expose the hidden key slot on the steering column. On many Armadas, you'll find a small cap. Pry it off carefully with the mechanical key. This lets you access the physical ignition area to continue the emergency start procedure. Now focus. Insert the mechanical key into the ignition or use the key slot near the steering column and leave it there. Next, press and hold the dead key fob directly against the Start/Stop button or the reader area. This aligns the transponder so the vehicle can read the chip. While holding the fob, press the brake pedal firmly, then press the Start/Stop button once. The car's immobilizer will verify the transponder, and the engine should crank. Make sure contacts stay aligned until ignition accepts it. Once the engine turns over, ease off and let it idle. Remove the mechanical key and put the fob back together. Replace its battery as soon as possible. If the engine won't start, try pressing start twice and reseat the fob on the reader while holding the brake. That often forces another transponder read. If repeated attempts fail, use a spare key if you have one, check the fob battery, or call roadside assistance. Faulty transponder or immobilizer issues can require dealer tools to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.